We're leaving. I'm gonna miss Roy's Villa so much. I'm gonna come back here next time. And they also gave us a little something for the road. This is so sweet. I mean, there's so much of love coming in. There's so much of love pouring in. But yeah, let's head to Candy now. In Neelam. नीलम, आज तुम कैसी हो? मैं बढ़िया हूँ। नीलम, तुम्हारा ऑयल चेक नहीं किया है आज?
नीलम का ऑयल कल शाम को ही चेक किया।
हाँ, वैसे तो कल शाम को किया था, बट नीलम का ऑयल हैज़ टू बी चेक्ड एवरी मॉर्निंग और हम आज भूल गए नीलम का ऑयल चेक करना। So we've taken a stop here to try the famous king coconut from here. And it's really tasty, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very sweet.
Yeah. It's sweet, but it's a different kind of sweet, like which we don't have it
Yeah.
in our city. Very good. Malai. Favorite parts.
Sweet.
Nice. Hello from Kandy, which is the cultural capital of Sri Lanka. While I'm in my room, I'm eating this orange, which I got it on the way, because everything here is just so like, I don't feel that too many seeds. But yeah, anyway, I feel like eating a lot of fruits, which I've been doing any which ways. So sorry you had to see this mess, but this is our room. We just booked like a private room at Fung Beds by the hill. We didn't realize it's gonna be like really up in the hill, and we've rented a tuk-tuk, as you know. So it got really difficult for Sagar actually to like race it all the way upwards, because it's a very very steep hill, but we made it safe and sound. And we just booked this room in the hostel. It looked really different on the hostelworld.com, and we booked it from there, but apparently it's not the same. Like, I'll leave pictures here for you to compare. Like, there were no blue walls, and we had like a ceiling to floor balcony, which we don't have, as you can see. But it's pretty decent. I mean, we don't want to spend any time in the room any which ways. We've just arrived like 15 minutes ago. We're gonna freshen up now, and we're gonna like explore the Kandy town on foot. We don't plan to take the tuk-tuk because everything here is like on a slope and stuff, and it may get a little difficult. So we thought that we'll just like walk around and have like get the feel of the town on foot. Although it's really really hot outside, but yeah, we do want to do that. So anyway, let me take you around Kandy. Let's go. So we are out and about, and we're gonna say bye to Neelam. See you in a bit, because we're gonna do a walking scene, and that's our hostel that we're staying at. Sagar says I look very British.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
So we are down in the city and walking just around the lake, actually getting to know the city a little well. I think we do like walking sometimes. Ha! See? The city is so nice. The lake is so nice. I think an evening walk would be really nice. Yeah. Also, there's a very cute thing that we saw. I'm gonna show you. So there's this ice cream truck. Not a truck, ice cream tuk-tuk. It's in a tuk-tuk. And it makes this sound of like how we see in the cartoon. I'm gonna show you. It's so cute. Really cute. I think Sagar's somewhere there talking to someone. But we are going to eat something, grab a bite maybe at Balaji Dosai. Obviously we are in Kandy, we cannot miss Balaji Dosai, so let's go. That's a black duck.
Oh, dark.
Duck, yeah.
Dark.
But feather very nice color.
Nice
Yeah,
color.
very nice color.
Oh.
Like peacock. Very close, up close. So cool, dude. ऐसा लगा वो मेरे को हाई बोलना आया. Good manners, like it. We just saw a Komodo. We're not sure if that's the right word for it. Dangerously close. But yeah, that was a Komodo, right?
Yeah.
I don't think so. It's a Komodo. It's called something else.
Ground
But it-
monitor बोलते हैं.
Yeah, brown monitor, correct. No, brown monitor is a
Ground,
bird.
Ground monitor.
Ground monitor is a type of bird, I think. Anyway, yeah, we saw that, and that was eating a big fish, and there were all like ducks around it and crows around it, and at one point it felt like it was looking right at me. It was cute. But I don't know what this place is. I think this is a sacred place in Kandy. I think we're gonna visit it in the evening probably. Let's see. So we've come to Balaji Dosa, obviously, like we really wanted to, and I'm so excited to eat dosa. We ordered for like one ghee masala dosa, which we're gonna clear because our appetite it's literally like gone. But we want to try like new food everywhere, so we're gonna eat like little at all the places, and it's like a vibe right on the street. We just got lucky that we got like an outdoor seating area on a Saturday that too. So yeah, thank God our luck. Thank God the universe. And there's also like an indoor sitting area, and also there's one in the down area as well. Anyway, yep, really excited to have crispy masala dosa.
Two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon.
We wanted to check out the clock tower, so yeah, we're gonna go in the bus now. Getting the local feels of it, and I feel sick of it. What a funny thing happened. Ek moment we were in a bus, second moment we were finding a seat, third moment we were getting down from the bus, and that is the clock tower. I thought it's a tower. It's not. Smaller in height than me, and I am 5'2", I'm telling you, so just imagine. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what the hype is about the clock tower, but it's just so funny. Anyway, I think we're just gonna check out the Kandy railway station now. We're not taking the Kandy to LR train, but we thought we'll just check out the station maybe. Because और तो कुछ करने को है. Actually, there's a lot of things that we could do, but most of the things get shut by 5. So yeah, it's almost like 4:45 now. So anywhere we reach, it's gonna get shut. So I don't think we can do anything as such.
The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull us
just had coffee at a cafe, which I'll insert the name here. I was too tired to actually vlog there, but the coffee was good and we got affogato. Affogato? Yeah, I don't know, my accent has been changed. But we really love the cutlery that they use, and he said it's just 15 minutes away, 15 meters away from where his shop was, like cafe was. So we are here checking it out. Unfortunately, they didn't have anything. It was like a normal ration wali dukan, general store sort of a thing. So we didn't get anything, and they were just laughing at us. That's exactly what Sagar is trying to tell me. But yeah, today is a Saturday, like I mentioned earlier, and they have some sort of I don't know, ritual or a festival maybe today. So all the shops are like shut early, and most of them have gone to the temple. This is a temple. We are not going inside because there's a lot of crowd today. Like everyone's just inside. So we decided to skip that part. We're just walking by the lake now, and we're gonna go back to our hostel. Walking. That's just a lot of walking for just one day. In the morning we did the hike. That was pretty steep, like a sunrise hike. Then we haven't slept a bit, and then we rode our tuk-tuk all the way till Kandy. And then we walked again. Like we've been walking the entire city. That's really cool.
वाइट में फील में आ गया वो मतलब मैं इधर ही मारूंगा
The guy was most nicely smoking a cigar with a field pipe. Oh yeah, sorry, a pipe. Oh, इसीलिए. Oh bye. Anyway, that's the lake. We're just walking, like taking the same route that we took while coming in. It's just the weather is a little more pleasant now because the sun has set and it's not really sunny. It's quite windy and nice. Hi, I'm back in the room. A little change of opinion about the place that we are staying in. So, two things. One, that we showed them the picture of what we were expecting, like, the floor to ceiling sort of a situation, because we honestly feel like with smaller windows or anything, we kind of feel a little suffocated. So, we prefer booking something like that or something which has like an outdoor area. So this opens, and we've got like a shared uh, balcony situation outside. So it's pretty nice, it's pretty huge, and we can have our breakfast there in the morning. Secondly, I have almost spotted like 3 lizards right now. One in bathroom, one in the outdoor like not garden, like I don't know what you're going to, the balcony area, and one which was right over there somewhere like on the top. But yeah, like I mean, Sagar's a little paranoid. He cannot really sleep with lizards around. But I think they're like really tiny, and honestly, we're living in a jungle. We have invaded their space. So, yeah. So yeah, that's just my opinion. Anyway, we had dinner. For dinner, there was rice, and then there was okra. Then there's some Sri Lankan leaves ka sabzi, and then there was moriga drumstick ka sabzi, uh, and papad and salad. And it was a bit dry, so they were kind enough to give us some vegetables like potato, spicy vegetable that they cooked, I think, for themselves, because it was not given to everybody. So yeah, I mean, that's a plus from my end. Definitely can book this hostel, sorry, not hotel. I think this one costed us about like 17 or 1800 rupees INR. So in Sri Lankan rupees, it should be anywhere. Wait, my math is really bad. 1800 into 3 should be 3.5. Yeah, 6,300 LKR, which is pretty decent, I think. Yeah. Anyway, I am going to sleep. Like, we're gonna go to sleep now. It's just like 8:30 maybe. Yeah, it's just almost 9, and we're gonna go to sleep because we've had a very, very long morning. And Candy's been good, Candy's been wonderful. I think you should definitely add this to your list if you're visiting Sri Lanka. And yeah, tomorrow we are heading for a long uh, ride, ride in a tuk tuk. So that's gonna be fun. Like we're heading all the way to Ella, or as they call here, Ella, Ella, Ella. Yeah. So yeah. I hope you guys are I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. If you have any like questions or anything, just like shoot them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Also, you can always like check out the description because I post like all the links there of the stays. Like if you're booking an Airbnb or from booking.com or anything, we just put like all the links in the description. So make sure you just always check them out. And anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Good night. I love you. All okay there? दिल पे पत्थर रख के आज सोना. अभी और नहीं है.
मैं पहले भी
कब बोला मैंने?
थोड़ी देर पहले.
अंदर तो नहीं थे ना, बाहर बोला मैंने दिए. लिटिल बालकनी, लिटिल सागर, लिटिल मी.